Okay, this is project number 1, which is a direct cut, and we're just going to stamp an image and cut it out. So this is our stamped image, and I'm going to place that on our mat and just, let me adjust that while I'm doing that. And just press it on the mat, and then we'll move up to the scan and cut. And we'll place it in the scan and cut. Put your hand and hold your mat in place while you load your mat. I don't feel like that went in straight, so let me do that again. There we go. That feels better. Okay. So then I'm going to go to Scan, to Direct Cut. I'm going to use the recognition mode of black and white because I'm just using a black and white. It's not black and white image, but there is enough contrast between the two. And so I'm going to say start, let it scan in. Now, if you haven't done a test cut, you always want to remember to do a test cut first. In my case, I know for Stampin' Up's papers what settings I want. So I'm going to take my blade, and every time you change it, you want to slide all the way past 12 till it stops, and then come back to where your setting is. And in my case, I know it's 7. My last machine was a 3, so there is a big difference between them. So you do need to get to know your machine. So now it's scanned in, and I'm going to say okay. And you can see that it has seen the outline, but it's seeing a lot of other things on my mat as well. And I am going to take my arrows and drag in till I just see this portion. Okay, and then I'm going to say okay, and then I'm going to say cut and start. Now, I'm hoping all of you have done at least this much, but we'll go over it just in case. So it's finished cutting, and here you can see that the paper peels right off and my image has cut perfectly out. Okay, so that's lesson 1.